So question 8 here is probably the hardest of these 5 or so questions in this exam. And we're looking at circuit 3. And it says, oopsie, do I have a pen here? And it says if the voltage across, consider circuit 3, if the voltage across the 2R is V3 and it's 4 volts, I'm gonna say it's this guy here, it's in this direction. V3 is 4 volts. This means for these 2R resistors, this is 4. And this also means I can easily, somewhat easily, find this voltage here that I'm gonna say voltage X. But it's asking actually what is V6. And here's my plan. First I'm gonna find the voltage between this bottom node here. Actually, let me change. I'm gonna find the voltage between this green node and a red node up on top. So in here is the red node. And this, between the green and the red, there will be some voltage. And actually it's gonna be positive on the bottom. That same voltage between the green and the red will be the voltage between this red here and obviously this green here. So with the 8R plus 6R. So for now I'm gonna say, you know what, 2R is 4. That means 4 volts for these 2 R's. This means also, because it's directly proportional, it's 2 volts for each R on this side of the circuit here. Oh, I wanted to use this fancy thing here. Oh man, I wanted to use this. So for 5R, the voltage drop across those 5R will be 10 volts. I hope this is clear, which is 10 volts is our Vx. So Vx is 10 volts. I don't know why the yellow color question 8 keeps moving. Oh, I know. It's because maybe Sawyer's here. Sawyer. So this whole voltage here is 10 plus 4. So this is 14 volts between the red and the green in this particular direction. If, however, I switch directions and I make this plus and this here minus, this is going to be minus 14 volts. These 14 volts I now am putting across 14 resistors, or 14 times R. So these R here, R's here, are now 14. And what happens is between the red and the green, for the 2 resistors in series, because we have 14 volts, let me, okay, sorry, you can stay there, but because I have that, let me see if I can draw it here. Because I now have 14 volts, actually I have minus 14 volts, divided by 14R. Oh, sorry, I cannot write with a mouse. Of course I cannot write with a mouse. Oh my lord, 14R means I have minus 1 volt per each resistor, per each R of the right side, which really means my V6 is minus 6 volts, sorry. Oh, yeah, of course you can see there. So, V6 is minus 6 volts. Yeah, I realize maybe I need to make a better explanation of this, but please comment on this video and I'll make something bigger and drawing on it instead of drawing with my mouse.